Good morning students and welcome to our English class. Today I am going to teach you the kinds of adverbs. Now I am explaining what is an adverb. Please look at the board. Number 1, Shushan ran fast. Number 2, he is a very intelligent boy. Number 3, Abdul spoke quite loudly. In the first sentence, the word first tell about the verb ran. How Shushan ran. In second sentence, intelligent, this is an adjective and very tells about the adjective intelligent. In the third sentence, quite, the word quite tells something about the word loudly. Loudly is adverb. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us something about the verb, adjective or adverb. Again I am telling, an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective or an adverb. Now I am going to explain adverbs of time and adverbs of place. Number 1, Geeta did not come yesterday. In second sentence, I have written, I shall see him immediately. Here, yesterday is the adverbs of time and immediately is the adverbs of time. That's why, what is adverbs of time? Adverbs of time that shows when an action takes place, Understood what I am telling? Adverbs of time, an adverb that shows when an action takes place is called adverbs of time. Here I have written some common adverbs of time. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, now, then. Okay? Now, adverbs of place. I have written here 2 examples. Number 1, my uncle lives there. God is everywhere. Here, there and everywhere mention the adverbs of place. What is an adverb of place? An adverb that shows where an action takes place is called adverb of place. Again I am telling, an adverb that shows where an action takes place is called adverbs of place. Now I am writing some common adverbs of place. It is in, out, here, there, and far, up. Also down. These words are commonly used for the adverbs of place. Dear students, next video I will continue the adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree and adverbs of number. Thank you.